This is Mrs. Serenis. This video goes with Unit 1, Lesson 1. I will put it in this form for future reference. Unit 1.1. Our topic for this unit is points, lines, and planes. These are considered the three undefined terms in geometry and are the foundation blocks for everything we do here forward. First of all, I'd like to talk about how to name a point. A point is just a single dot, pixel, anything that comes to mind referring to a single point. And if we are going to name it, I would just use one letter. So when I see a point, I can just identify it by a single letter, such as point A can be referred to as A. Lines, however, need 2 points. So when you think of a line, you may think of 2 points that are connected, interestingly enough, by a lot of many other points. So to name a line, I would use 2 letters such as BC and the symbol that goes above it. Or it does not matter the order, so we could call this line CB. Again, with the symbol for a line sitting above it. And finally, when writing the name of a plane is an entire surface, a two-dimensional surface. We often see planes pictured looking like this, somewhat of a parallelogram shape. This is called a plane. Sitting on planes are many points. So sometimes we would put a line on top of a plane. It is contained in this plane. It has some points that make up that line, as well as other lines that could be put on there. There are often a variety of points that sit on a plane. To name a plane, we would pick any of these points that are on it in any order, but we must use 3. So an example for this plane would be plane DEF. Another name for this plane could be plane EFG. Sometimes a plane has an italicized letter on its surface. For example, I might use a little italicized L. In that case, we could call this plane L. So just to review what we have just gone over, a point is named using a single letter. A line is named using 2 letters with a line symbol above it. And a plane is named with 3 letters and the word plane in front of it, often represented by the shape of a parallelogram. So now what I'd like you to do is, looking at this example, hit the pause button and see if you can name a line containing point N and a plane containing point P. Here is the solution to the above examples. A line containing point N has the following correct solution, but not limited to this as well. I could say line NO, or I could say ON. I could say, picking any two letters that are contained on this line, I could say line MO. Again, in any order, I could say MN. And as you can see, there are many answers that work, as well as there seems to be a small italicized letter there. I could say line C. The solution to the question regarding plane, to name the plane containing point P, a solution again consists of 3 letters. Therefore, one that works is plane M, N, P. Another solution may be plane O, P, N. Notice that I'm selecting points that are not all just along the same line. That allows me to distinguish a plane versus a line. So I am intentionally not choosing the 3 points M, N, O as they lie on the same line. They do not work to name a plane. So I will cross that one out. And finally, the one that stands out as a quick option is the italicized letter in the upper corner. I may name this plane A as well.